Welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about how to add additional users to a Google Analytic account. As you can tell, I'm already logged into my Google Analytics. What I'm going to do now is come into the admin. So let me just back up really quick. This is what you see when you log in. You need to then come into admin. You need to choose the account that you're going to be using. And then what you do is you come over here to the right hand side where it says user management. What you then do is you add permissions, and this is where you then copy or place the actual email address that needs to be used. Note that user emails that need to be registered with a Google account. Here you then drop down, and this is where you can specify the permissions that individual people will have, as well as notify the user by email. If you need to have any additional information about users and what the different ones mean, come up here and click the Learn More button. Basically, the breakdown is manage users can manage account users, they can add, delete users, and assign permissions. Edit means they can perform administrative and report-related functions, but they cannot manage users. Collaborate means that they can create personal assets and share them. They can collaborate on shared assets, for example, editing a dashboard or an annotation. And then also read and analyze, meaning that they can see reports and configuration data, can manipulate data within reports, can create personal assets and share them, but they cannot collaborate on shared assets. Anyways, if none of that made sense to you, then that's okay. Give us a call and we'll help you with that. But basically, this is where you then add that user, and it's important that you spell the name right. Once you do, you can then see how it's then added. I'm going to add just a few more here while I'm here and make sure that they are then notified through email. And it looks like that is a perfect example of a non-registered Google address. So if it's a non-registered Google address, it won't allow you to add that email. So there's a perfect example of how to add additional users into the account, and hopefully that answers any questions that you might have.